Hi guys, it's me Catherine. Welcome to my channel where I talk about how to make money online. I mostly talk about making money through freelance writing, but I also talk about different ways of making money online. So welcome. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and click the notification bell so that you can be notified of every video that I upload every time. So today we are going to talk about a very special topic, that is creating your Payoneer account. And you can create your Payoneer account from anywhere. Okay? So to create your Payoneer account, first of all, I want you to use the link that I've placed in the description box below. That is my refer a friend link. It's a link that Payoneer has given me for you to open your account. And the good thing is, I'm not the only one who's going to benefit from this. You also will benefit because you'll get a $25 reward because of opening the account. Not immediately, of course, but after you've started, getting some payment through Payoneer. So make sure you use the link that I've put in the description box below. So let's get to my computer and let's start the tutorial.
So guys, we are now on my computer, on my laptop screen, and as I've told you, if you use my link in the description box below, you'll open Payoneer like this. This is what you'll see, and you get this button, sign up and earn $25, and that has to abide by the terms and conditions of the refer a friend program. So this, as I've told you, Payoneer is an international payment platform, so you can receive payment from anywhere globally into your local account. So to register, to create your account, you will click on sign up, click on that button, and it will take you to the page where you're supposed to say who you are. So you can either say you're a freelancer, an online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or an individual. But I would suggest you use the freelancer, because most of the things that you'll be doing online, especially making money online, you'll be working as a freelancer. But anyway, if you're any of these other whatever the titles, you can select any of them. I use freelancer. So when you select freelancer, they'll ask you what you're looking for, and you select get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces. So select that. So as a freelancer, you register. If you're from Russia, click there, but now we are not from Russia. I'm going to click on register. So this is the first step. You're going to fill in your details. It involves your name. This includes your name, your email address, and your date of birth. So let me fill that out, then we'll get back. Next, and the next part you're supposed to fill in are the contact details, your contact details. So where you live. If you're in Kenya, the option for street number, most of the time I just fill in my postal address, and then for city, the city postal or zip code, I fill in the postal code. Then your phone number, so fill that in. The next part is your security details. You'll need to fill in give your password, create a password. You already have your email there. Then you have to select a security question and answer, write your ID number, and then fill in the code that they've given down there, and then hit on next. I'll fill that in right now. Almost done. So now this last part, you need to select whether your account is going to be a personal account or a business account. I would advise you select the personal account, but obviously if you have a registered business, select the business account. Then your bank, fill in your bank details, which bank you're going to be working with, your local bank. This is the local bank. So as you can see, the options coming up for me are all Kenyan-based banks. Okay, banks that are available in Kenya. Yeah, and then you'll write your bank code and the account number. Yes. So your currency will be in Kenya shillings. So let me fill that in, and then I'll get right back to you. Then guys, you're going to be asked about your SWIFT code, your bank SWIFT code.
You can get that online. And that's it. Congratulations, you have now created your Payoneer account. All you're waiting for is for your account to be reviewed. You can check, you can learn more about if you want to get a Payoneer card, so click on that. And then expect 2 emails. One of them is going to be about your account being processed, being reviewed. So that will come after they say it will come after a few days, but it will come very quickly. Then after that, once it's confirmed, you can use your account. So we'll wait for the email. So we already received the email, guys. You can see that I have the email here. Please verify your email address. Let's click on it. When you click on it, you'll get a button to actually verify your email. So the orange button there, just click on that. And that's all you need to do to verify your email. So your Payoneer account has the email verified. So the next thing is to just log into your Payoneer account. Okay, first of all, you can see, yes, thank you. You successfully verified your email. And so we can go to the next thing. So I signed in to the account and I set up the 2-step verification process. You can do that. They'll send you a code on your phone number, the phone number that you set up. And then I signed in. And then you get a recovery code, which you have to keep in a safe place because you might need it in future, maybe when there's a problem with the account for security purposes. So this is the account, guys. Yeah, they want us to update the security details. So you'll be asked to fill in give security questions. You can change them. There's one that you wrote earlier, but you can change them here. I'll just go ahead and do that, then get back to you. You've set the security questions. You can change them if you like. So we can click on the next thing. As you can see, everything is updated. Your security settings are set. Now, the next thing, we can go to the account. You can now open your account and check things out. You have information to submit in Verification Center. When you click on that, Submit Now, you'll be told to fill in your business details, provide your business details, and account verification. So for the business details, you have to give some details in that questionnaire. And account verification requires you to give your photo ID, your government issued photo ID, and then update your address. You can do that. Let me do that and then we'll get back. So first of all, the address, as I explained to you, if you live in Kenya, just fill in your postal address, the town, then the postal code. And then for the ID, you can take a photo of your ID, the front and the back. Let me fill that in, then we'll get back. So guys, it didn't take long for the account to be approved. It shows that your application to Payoneer is approved. And you see I had already set the 2-step verification process. So now we are ready to use our account. You can sign in. As you can see, that's what the email says. And you're ready to restart receiving payments. So just click on the sign in link and you're good to go. Okay guys, I've signed into my account. I want to show you how you can use your account now, the details. So when you scroll down to the bottom, you can see all the details. So for the place where you find your banking details is the Global Payment Service under Receive, the page labeled Receive. So here you will find all your accounts. At the beginning, you have a UK account, bank account, and you have a US bank account. When you click on them, you will see all the details you need. And so at this point, you can get payment from whichever platform that requires you to have a UK-based bank account and a USA-based bank account. And then when you want to withdraw, just go to withdraw page and you can withdraw to your bank account, your local bank account. As you can see, you can withdraw to whichever local bank account you wrote, you recorded in your account, in this case Diamond Trust Bank. Then you select from which account you want to withdraw your money. So if it is your USD balance or your Euro balance, whichever place you received your money from. And that's it, guys. You're ready to receive money from any platform, Amazon or your freelancing places. So there you have it, guys. That's how you create a Payoneer account. I'm hoping you're going to create your account very soon, and you can use this in many places, as I've said before. Remember to use the link I've shared with you, my refer a friend link in the description box below. Use that link to open your account so that you get a chance of getting the reward of $25. Otherwise, see you in the next video. I'm going to be talking more about making money online. So if this is the kind of content you like, make sure to hit the notification bell, to subscribe, get notified whenever I upload any video. Welcome, guys. Bye.